A lot of you may wonder, why did I make a video on hobbies? I mean, we all have some. We all probably like to do something apart from our office or routine work. But really, if we think about it, how many of us actually take out time for it these days? Hobbies have become so underrated these days, and that is what compelled me to show the things I love doing. Things that bring me satisfaction. For a long time now, I was under the impression that if I call something my hobby, I'm expected to be perfect at it, or that hobby had to be sounding extremely difficult. I would never count things that I really enjoyed doing as a hobby. For instance, I never thought organizing or decorating would ever be called a hobby or be given that much weightage.
There's a place I have found in the shade on the ground, far from all worries and troubling sound. When I go there to be by myself, only me, no one can guess what I came there to see. There's a sun in the sky, there's a cloud drifting by. All kinds of birds make you wish you could fly. And in the distance I see someone waving at me. I hope that it's you, but who else could it be? I guess it would be nice to belong in your arms. I hope you feel the same.
I wrote to you a simple text, reminiscing about the time when we first met. I don't know what is good enough, 'cause baby, little by little you wear me down. Little by little my actions won't be forgiven. I wish I could be sorry for the things that caused you harm, but nothing I can say or do will make it come undone. So even though I hate the thought of leaving you, I hope you come to terms and have it in your heart to end it all. You're better off alone. Sincerely yours, sincerely yours, I still haven't heard anything from you. You say love is a fool, and so
More often than not, we are under a social pressure of being the best in everything, even the kind of hobbies we have. Isn't it really just anything and everything we love doing? Mind you, we may not be passionate about it. Again, there's no competition here. We could be good or bad at it, doesn't matter. All that matters is if we want to do it.
undone. So even though I hate the thought of leaving you, I hope you come to terms and have it in your heart to end it all. You're better off alone. Sincerely yours.
the days, a common question asked by people was, "What are your hobbies?" And the more hobbies we had in our answer, the more appreciation we got. But today, the meaning of hobbies has turned to maybe acquiring new skills which would only benefit us in our career. No doubt that can be a fun thing to do. But what if our hobby isn't result driven? What if it does not have a set goal? What if it is a slow and time taking process? Like in my case, arts and crafts. It's a time consuming, extremely slow activity at times. But I still choose to do it. It doesn't help to add any value in my career. Should I not do it then? I would love to know what are your hobbies and do you have the time for it?
Out in the woods in a big old house, we'd pass